My name is Hope Hopkins. I want to welcome and thank you for joining us today for our Burke County Virtual Job Fair. We're very glad to have you with us today. Just a few items. If you need to change your screen view, this can be accessed in the upper right corner of the video screen. It may show a little better. We will be highlighting companies in the manufacturing sector within our region that have some incredible job opportunities. We have 3 guest employers that will be telling you about their companies and the job opportunities they have open. We will also let you know about several other companies that also have job openings. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk briefly about some housekeeping rules. You should notice that your microphone was muted as you came into the event. During the event, we ask that you do not unmute your microphone. Muting allows us to reduce background noises. We want everyone to have a good experience today and be able to hear our employers and what they have to offer. So please keep your microphones muted. We do encourage questions. We do ask that you use the chat feature at the bottom of the screen to type in your questions. You may ask questions at any time during the event. Shelley will be monitoring the chat to relay these questions to the appropriate person. We will offer a few minutes at the end of the presentation for questions as well. I want to inform you that this event is being recorded. Please keep in mind that we do not share any participant information. So if we're ready to get started, we'll move forward. As you can see today, we have several employers in the Unifor sharing information on their companies and the jobs they have available. We have the agenda that has those companies listed, and those will be the ones we cover over the next hour or so. And now I want to welcome all of our featured employers. We are excited that you are joining us today. I'm going to turn the presentation over to Kelly at Marvez Industries to tell us about the job opportunities they have at Marvez. Kelly?
Thank you, Hope. Good morning, everybody. My name is Kelly, and I'm here with Dylan Smith, one of our supervisors. He will be here also to answer any questions that you may have. Well, first of all, thank you all for take the time to pretty much knowing us a little bit and to show the interest to apply through us. Marvez Industries is a local company located in Hildebrand, here in Burke County. It's the only location that we have production-wise, and we mostly manufacture insulation for vehicles, packaging, construction, furniture, and other industries. What makes us unique it's our contribution to the environment, because our product is made of post-industrial material like fabric, recycled material like water bottles as well. So that's great, because it's definitely some of the impact that Marvez want to do to the community and in general to Burke County, for example. We are currently having 3 shifts, first, second, and third, 8-hour shift. In normally Monday to Friday. We are always open or receiving applications from anybody, entry level. You don't need to have all this experience for the entry level positions, because what we consider, what we really like, is to it's train everybody who really wants to grow with us. We help them to grow. We help them to discover any skills that they probably didn't know they have, or as simple as apply the ones that they already have. We're currently looking for those entry-level positions, but also we are looking for material handlers, people with forklift experience, and we also do in-house training as well. Different hours, like I mentioned, first shift 6:45 a.m. to 3 p.m., second shift 2:45 to 11 p.m., and third shift 10:45 to 7 a.m. As long as you want to come to work with a great attitude, we are a company that really help you, like I said, to growth. We believe in motivation. We believe in everybody deserve an opportunity, and we're here to help you. And now I'm gonna let Dylan Smith, again, our first shift supervisor, who may have a direct experience with the people, and to explain a little bit how is our working environment, and in general, what are the expectations.
So usually the company, they always got room to grow. I always like to start with an example with myself. Started here around 4 years ago with a basic entry position at Wind Up. I've worked my way up to a supervisor now. And as long as you got the right attitude, effort, there's always room to grow. I always like to tell everybody, usually they're their own limitations on how far they can grow with the company. Because as far as training, if you need help, we like to help in any way we can, and try to get each employee to whatever position they like to see themselves in with the company as far as growth goes.
Thank you, Dylan. All of you can apply through our website, marvisindustries.com, or you can come here in person. You can apply. I'm normally the one who's gonna see you first, and we go through a process, a normal hiring process, and I explain you in details the expectations and other things related to the job. Benefits, everybody goes through a 90 days probation. I think it's kind of a standard, but after that you will be eligible for health insurance, dental, 401k, vacations. We have perfect attendance bonus. We have referral program, but also all our employees, even if they are within those 90 days, they can grow with us. They don't need to wait the 90 days to start moving up within the company. We have right now actually employees who hasn't even completed their 30 days, and they're already machine operators. As long as they show a good attitude, good attendance, and good effort, we are here to support all of them. We offer inside training, but also outside training to anybody in our company. We work very close with Western Piedmont Community College and NC State University as well to provide all those training. We are, I guess, like a lot of companies right now, looking for maintenance technicians as well, with some industrial experience. We're very open, again, to train them as long as they have their basic skills and knowledge or exposure to the industrial or manufacturing environment. Any questions?
Awesome. Kelly, Dylan, thank you for that information. Yes, if anyone has any questions, if you want to type that in the chat box now, Shelley will let us know if there are any. I guess hearing none. Thank you guys so much for your time, and we'll let you know if there are any other questions that come up. Thank you. I would now like to welcome Denise with Williams-Sonoma, and that is our next featured guest. Denise, good morning.
Good morning. We're so happy to participate in today's hiring event in Burke County. Williams-Sonoma, Sutter Street Manufacturing is located just off I-40 East, exit 135 in Claremont at 2973 Kelly Boulevard. My name's Denise Campbell, and I'm an HR specialist here at Sutter Street, and I am also their recruiter. Our business is extremely strong, and we've continued to operate during the pandemic, which has been wonderful. We're continuing to grow, and we've been adding more upholstery lines to accommodate our business demands. we're offering a $1,000 sign-on bonus that's being paid out over the first 90 days of your employment. That's something to look forward to with the holidays approaching. We operate 3 different shifts to help suit that work-life balance, as you can see on our poster. We offer shift differentials based on the specific shift of nights or weekends. Our weekend shift works a total of 36 hours, but we add a 10% shift differential that makes up for the 4-hour difference of not working the 40 hours total. Overtime is also available in some of the areas. If you're experienced as a frame builder, spring up, sewer, progressive line upholsterer, inside upholsterer, trimmer, forklift operator, please check our link as you can see at the bottom. There's several other positions of customer care, quality control, human resources, and purchasing. We've even listed a position of open positions, just in case you don't see something specific at the time. We have various positions available on each shift. For more convenience, we've posted a QR code that you can scan. This link goes directly to our supply chain where you're able to see each job opening. From there, you can read each job's description and you should find something that your skill set meets. Please click on that job and apply now. We're paid every week on Fridays through direct deposit. Our benefits include paid time off, vacation and sick pay, 40% associate discounts, medical, dental, vision, life, accidental death, and dismemberment insurance packages. And we have a 401k plan with a company match. Please check out our link. We look forward to talking with you. My number is listed at 828-459-5690. We hope that you have huge success today in finding and landing your new career. We hope it's with us at Williams-Sonoma.
Awesome. Thank you, Denise. Great information. Thank you so much for sharing. I would ask now if anyone has any questions to please type that in the chat box. Okay. Denise,
doesn't seem like we have any questions yet.
Thank you, Shelley. Thank you, Shelley. Well, we will move on to our next employer. We now have Robert Frick with Talent Force, and he's going to tell about the openings that they have.
All right, good morning, and thank you for having Talent Force be part of the Burke County Virtual Job Fair. Since we only have a few minutes, I'll tell you about Talent Force and the job opportunities we currently have open and how to apply. You may not have thought about it before, but a staffing agency like Talent Force could be your friend to help you get that sought-after job that you've always wanted. Our staffing recruiters speak with client customers on a daily basis, so they are aware of job opportunities in our area that may not have been advertised. So Talent Force specializes in light industrial, warehouse, clerical, administration, and also healthcare. And we do that in 3 different areas out of this particular office. We do it for Old Fort, we do it for Marion, and we do it for Morganton area. So we have other offices up and down I-40. So if it's not particularly out of the Marion office, maybe we can help you out of the Asheville or Hickory or other locations as well. Now, currently, we have the following job openings. We have janitorial and housekeeping that pays about $10 an hour. We have, that includes cleaning offices and discard. We have warehouse operations that are paying about $13 an hour. They include forklift operators, warehouse order pickers, and everything else that's associated with warehousing. We also have manufacturing operations paying $13 to $14 an hour. That would include the automotive industry for, say, mold operators or production or packers or extrusion or tear down. So we have a wide variety of jobs here, and the job market is strong right now. So we have a lot of job openings. We have a lot of job offers. So we would encourage everyone to call us. I think like some of the other speakers before us, they said that, hey, that they get paid on Fridays. We do that as well to make it easy for you. So we put that in either your debit card that we give you if you don't have a checking account, or we can deposit it every Thursday night into your checking account, so it's available for you on Friday morning. We also have jobs with various schedules during the week and with various shift hours. So if you want to work during the week, or if you just want to work on the weekends, or if you want to work during the day or at night shift, we have openings for all that. So you have a lot of opportunities when you call Talent Force and when you apply online. So remember, a lot of these jobs that we have listed change quite often. So in a lot of them, the employers do attempt to hire. So that's a real positive. So some of our employers do it on hours, and some of it do it based on days that have worked there. So you can get hired on and you can start a nice long career. So if you have a little bit of experience, or if you have a great deal of experience, we have opportunities for you. So it's kind of like going to Walmart. You can go and see a lot of different companies and kind of pick and choose when you want to work and how to work and everything else. So how do you do that? Well, first thing you want to do is you want to go to talentforce.com and click on the Apply Online icon. It's up in the upper left-hand corner of our webpage. So go to talentforce.com, click on Apply Online, and then put in your information that's requested there. After you're finished, give us a call. We'll have people set up to talk to you. You can come in, we'll interview you, we'll do a background check, we'll do drug screening, and get you set up. So we have a lot to offer you. So go to talentforce.com to apply, or you can call our phone number. Our local number is 659-9300, 659-9300. So you can either click or call, and we're here to help you find a job and get you working as fast as possible. So that's it. If we got any questions, we'll take them.
Shelley, do we have any questions?
We do have one question.
Oh,
Yes,
great.
one of the questions that came up, who are some of the employers served by your agency?
We usually discuss that once the people come in, but we do have up and down the line there. We can from companies that are in Old Fort, major automotive companies. We have places here in Marion that do a variety of cleaning or plastics operations, or do other types of manufacturing. And then over in Morganton, we have a couple of companies over there as well that are in different markets. So we usually have people come in and we sit down and talk to them one-on-one, and that way they can get all the information. So if you'd like, once we're finished here, give us a call at 659-9300, and we'll answer your questions directly.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Robert.
Thank you.
Appreciate your time. Shelley, by any chance, do we have any other questions, or is that?
I've not seen any other ones come in, but if you do have questions, go ahead and type those in and we'll get back to those.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. And for folks that are joining us later, just know that this is being recorded, and if you missed the first part, you can catch that later by visiting us on the Burke County Job Fair Facebook page. All right, thank you for our featured speakers. We are going to move on to our other companies and positions. The next one is Sarah North America. They are located in Morganton. This is a manufacturer of automotive interior materials that include fabric for the automotive seating, door trim, and headliners. They've got a couple different positions opening. They are the knitting mechanic / team lead, a wrapper, and a service operator. If you are interested in getting some additional information about the job details, you can go to ncworks.gov, or you can apply online at the company website that is listed there. You will see that they have several different great benefits packages, and some other optional benefits that they have listed. So to get some more information about that company, visit their website. Next, we have Leviton, another Morganton company. They are a manufacturer of electrical components. They've got numerous job opportunities available. Some of those include the maintenance technician 1, an injection mold technician, production lead, an operator 1 and operator 2, a material handler, a quality inspector. They've got the job descriptions listed, but for additional details, go to their website and apply at leviton.com. Shuford Yarns, that is in Hickory, is a world-class manufacturer of yarns. They have machine operator positions opening. There is no experience required, and they will train you for the various yarn textile machines that they run. They do ask that you apply in person at 2815 First Avenue Southwest in Hickory.
Hope, we do have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a question that says, do they have any deaf employees? And I'm assuming this was for Talent Force.
Robert, can you answer that?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
want to repeat that, Shelley?
You want to repeat the question? Sure.
Yes, there's a question that came up. Do you have any deaf employees? And I guess that could be for any of our employers. We'll just start with Robert at Talent Force, and then we can move on to the other employers.
We do. We're very fortunate, as a matter of fact, that we have people on staff that can sign. So we do have that ability to work with employees that are deaf.
Okay, what about Marvez? Do you guys have any employees who are deaf?
We have had in the past, yes.
Okay, Williams and Sonoma, did you want to answer that question? If you're still with us?
We have not had anyone that I'm aware of.
Any other
There's
questions?
also another question.
Okay.
Yeah,
Go
about the website for Siren, and Chuck Brown from NC Works has put that back on there. And here's the slide from Siren, and there's also the company website on the bottom there.
And just as a reminder, if you had pre-registered for the Eventbrite, the presentation will be emailed to you. And then this is also being recorded. And after our events are over, we will get those out there on our social media. All right, we've got Acra Blue. Another company doing recruitment for talent. They have positions in manufacturing associate. They've listed their benefits. They do require a high school diploma and the drug screening and criminal background check. They are located in Morganton at 1239 Bergmont Avenue. open from Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. You can also apply there at their website if you're interested in the manufacturing associate position. We have Case Farms Chicken that is located in Morganton. They have some production associates on first and third shift. They've listed the criteria for those duties. They ask that you be able to pull or push 8 to 40 pounds. Environment is very different, and talks about some of the other requirements. They do have some great benefits with their medical, dental, and vision, their spending accounts. They have their starting pay at $13.30 an hour, plus $1 attendance bonus that would bring you to $14.30. If you are interested in any of their production positions, you can apply online at casefarms.com/careers. If you would like more information about any of their opportunities, they can be reached at 828-439-6477. AccuForce, who has a location in Morganton. They also work with several of the manufacturers throughout the Unifor. They've got various positions available there. Those pay ranges from $10 an hour to $14.50. If any of those seem to be a fit, please reach out to AccuForce. They also have an IT technician position available with a manufacturer in Hickory. It does require an associate's degree. That location is in Hickory, and it is a full-time position paying anywhere from $14 to $16 an hour. They also have an HR payroll associate position in the Hickory area. You can see there's quite a few of the requirements that you would be tasked to do. Pay rate there is $15 to $17 an hour. You can apply online at AccuForce.com. Call them at 432-2950. And I'm sure you can visit them at their 104 Fiddler's Run Boulevard location as well. Performance Food Service in Hickory. They have some night warehouse selectors. Those hours are Sunday through Thursday, 6 p.m. until finish, and they have a starting pay at $16.50 an hour. There are some other requirements listed there that would be part of your job duties. They also have a Class A delivery personnel that they are looking for. If you are interested in learning more information, please visit their website at pfgc.com/careers. We have the North Carolina Army National Guard. They have had job openings in every field. There are multiple jobs that they do have. They've got some great benefits as far as educational reimbursement or tuition paid. They do job training. They do ask that you be at least 17 years old or a junior. You can see that they have a lot of different active roles as far as the opportunities they have. I know they're always looking for folks. If you have any questions or would like to know how to apply, You can contact Staff Sergeant David Parker at 828-443-1062, or the website there, nc.ng.mil. Tyson, which is Tyson Foods out of Claremont. They've got some different opportunities right now. They're looking for general production positions that start at $12 an hour and go up. Right now, they've got a $500 new hire bonus. So if you're interested in getting some additional information, visit Tyson Foods to see what they have. Their current openings are general labor, an automation technician that's on second shift, and a maintenance generalist. Again, you can apply at tysonfoods.com/careers. Shenandoah Furniture, company located in Valdez, has CNC operator positions available. There's a list of the requirements for the position that they have. If you are interested in applying, you can do so at their location, 1801 Main Street East in Valdez, or online at shenfern.com. We also have Roblon. They've got positions available in maintenance technician, machine operators, rewind operators, utility person, and shipping and receiving. They've got some competitive benefits, which include medical, dental, and vision. They've got a $500 retention bonus going on. If you're interested in applying, you can go to through AccuForce Staffing and check on those positions with them. I'm going to ask Shelley right now, do we have any questions currently?
I don't see any new questions. There was a question that said if anyone at Siren was deaf, and I have reached out to those folks at Siren. She said that they are still welcome to apply, but she doesn't know of anyone who works there at this time who is a deaf individual.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, if there aren't any other questions at the moment, I want to thank you all for joining us today. As mentioned, the event is being recorded, and we will share that information after our events are over. Right now, we'd just like to thank our Burke County Job Fair partners, which includes Western Piedmont Community College, NC Works, North Carolina Vocational Rehabilitation, Western Piedmont Workforce Development Board, and Burke Development. If you would like to catch those recordings, visit our Burke County Job Fair Facebook page, and those will be posted, as I mentioned, later. We do have one more day of the virtual event. It will be tomorrow at 10 a.m., and this will cover jobs in the healthcare and public sector. So thank you all for joining us. Thank you for our employers that have joined us today. We wish everyone the best of luck in your job search.
Hey, Hope, I'd just like to add into the end of it. Thank you very much for the opportunity for us to be there. We're already starting to get some calls from the program here, so it's been
Awesome.
very successful already. So thank you. We appreciate it.